I should prep those scrambled eggs. Eggs should be ready by now.
I took the liberty of borrowing your bathrobe.
Looks better on you.
Hey, that almost looks good enough to eat.
What's that?
The notebook I took from Manfred's place. According to this, about 30 clients bought spare parts for Royal machines in the last 10 years. The killer may be one of them.
Oh, you know, checking out the alibi of 30 clients one by one, that's a lot of legwork.
Except that if we cross-check them with the list of subscribers to Origami magazines, you still got that, right?
Yeah. Lord, wait.
If the killer really used a Royal typewriter, and if he subscribed to an Origami magazine, his name should be on both lists.
Well, Lord, I mean, that's just an assumption, but yeah, I suppose.
His name is here somewhere. Help me, we're gonna find him.
The only guy whose name is on both lists died when he was 10. What are you going to do now? Dig up his coffin, make sure he's dead?
I know it doesn't make any sense. Unless the killer was only using his name.
But why use the name of a kid who died 30 years ago?
Well, that's what we came to find out. The name is John Shepard. It should be on a grave around here somewhere.
You never give up, do you?
Excuse me. I'm looking for the grave of a young boy who died about 30 years ago. His name was John Shepard. You wouldn't know where it is by any chance.
The children's graves are in the next plot.
Thanks.
The sooner we find that grave, the sooner we can get the hell out of here. This girl knows her mind all right. No point in trying to reason with her. She's convinced she's onto something. And here's me, thinking we're wasting our friggin' time in this friggin' cemetery. Excuse me. I'm looking for the grave of a boy named John Shepard.
Straight ahead, a little further out.
Thanks.
I found it!
These flowers are fresh. Looks like someone's still tending the grave. Origami figures.
That's one hell of a coincidence.
Oh, youngin', that one I knew well.
You knew John Shepard?
I've worked this graveyard nearly all my life. I remember what happened. It was in 77, October, I think.
Yeah, good for nothing hoodlums, get the hell out of here! God, beat it, you lousy no good brats! Come back when your fucking mother comes home from work.
He's drunk again. What are we gonna do? It's pouring rain. We're gonna get soaked if we spend the day outside.
Well, guess you won't get beat. Little rain never hurt nobody. Come on, let's go play. Bet you can't catch me! dumbass. Gee, you're nothing but a slowpoke. What you doing? You're coming or not? Come on! Bet you can't do that. Move your ass, I'm waiting. Gee, you're nothing but a slowpoke. Come on, loser. What you doing? You're coming or not? Come on! Move your ass, I'm waiting. Move your ass, I'm waiting. You don't need to do this, it's too hard for you.
No chance, I can do it alright. Just watch.
me and try to find me, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 18, 20.
Help.
Postcards. That's John's voice.
Help.
John!
My foot is stuck.
Grandma, I'll put it over there.
What are we gonna do?
Hang on, John. I'll get help. Just hang on.
Come on, hurry. I think the water's rising.
I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
But the poor kid never did find any help. And his brother drowned in a pipe full of rainwater.
The boy that lived, what happened to him?
Well, all I know is he got separated from his parents. I think he got adopted. Well, looks like a storm's coming. I guess I better be getting home.
Christ, what a horrible story. John Shepherd drowned in the rain while holding his brother's hand. Do you think he could be the origami killer?
Come on, let's get back in the car. Wait,
What's the matter?
that man over there.
Yeah?
It's Charles Kramer.
Gordy's father? What's he doing here?
He's putting flowers on John Shepherd's grave.
Matt Jack says he's passed the killer's car on the Paco. Either Paco is the killer, or he's had direct contact with him.
here to see Paco. Paco? There ain't no Paco here, fella. Get lost. Are you absolutely certain? He's in his office. Take the stairs over there.
Well, I hope you enjoyed. That was Heavy Rain. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you on the next one.